Okay, I'm an absolute idiot. Okay, I might as well just pause this. I'm going to make another video. Okay? Be happy with it. Cooking pizza rolls. You put it at 2 minutes. So pause. Okay, I'm only resuming the video just to tell you I stepped on a spike. I don't think I can walk anymore. Okay, now we're going on the spike hunt. I look like a spike. Okay, this actually smells good. Anyways. Well, pizza roll, yeah, almost done. I paused the video. I smell pizza. They're done. Okay, so you put them in the... Where's my plate? Well, I'll be right back. I'm getting another. Okay, I'm I feel like a disappointment. Anyways, now that you got your pizza rolls done, since you put them in the microwave for 2 minutes, enjoy a little mukbang if you're at this end. I know that video is like 1 minute or something, but yeah, I'm hungry. That's the only reason why I'm recording the video.